How to fix YouTube play button not working. If you're facing this kind of issues where your YouTube play button is not working properly, then here's how to fix it. Now this might be caused due to various reasons. However, you can try some of these troubleshooting steps. Firstly, open App Store or Play Store on your device and look for any updates that may be available for YouTube. Go to the search bar on the top and search for YouTube. If you see any update available, then click on the update option to update your app. If there are no updates available, then go back to your home page. Now open settings on your device and go to Wi-Fi option. In Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then remove the network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now roll down your notification bar. Tap and hold on the top left section. Try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Again, go back to your settings. In settings, tap on software update. Look for any software updates that may be available for your device. Additionally, also go to iPhone storage and look for the YouTube app. Here, tap on the option Offload app and again tap on Offload app. This way, all the unnecessary data from YouTube will be deleted. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.